Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is going to be the first episode of a series of home makeover videos that I'll be making, and in this first episode it's going to be a simple patio makeover that you can make on a budget. I usually got the stuff off Walmart and IKEA for a very affordable price. I'm going to leave the link to the items I used in the description box down below. Since this is not my space that I'm making over in this video, I do ask that you guys respect her space, and I'm so grateful to Ella for letting me use her space for this video. But here is how I accomplished this beautiful patio. Okay, so this is a before of what the patio looks like. It's actually just like a regular patio, but I really love the fact that the railings are wooden. You barely see that in apartments nowadays. So because I'll be using the carpet and the patio, I decided to sweep it out so it's going to be easier. Then I sprayed the railings and cleaned them too because they had bed poop on them. So prior to buying the grass carpet, I had come and measured her patio, and I need patio measured 10 by 5 feet. So I got this grass carpet off of Amazon. I was gonna go with the IKEA grass carpet, but then they were out of stock, and I discovered this was really cheaper than that one. So I just ordered this one, which is exactly 10 by 5 feet, and it fits perfectly in the patio. And also the grass carpet comes in various sizes on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can get it if you want. This would be a very good workout zone, but I can't even do push-ups. So next what I did was I had to trim the rug to fit into those railings there, because those were inside the measurement. So I had to trim them off so the rug could fit all around it without it looking like smaller. I really wanted to give it this natural look, so I pushed all those parts underneath the things in the patio, and I just trimmed all around. This was probably the hardest part of the project, like, trimming this, and I didn't have a big scissors, so I had to use Ella's scissors, and that was the only scissors she had. But basically just doing this made it look like the patio came with it. So for this part, what I did was I just cut out a very long strip because it wasn't fitting under the door railing. So I had to cut off this long strip and tuck it in so it wouldn't be a trip hazard, and also so it's going to look natural. Like that natural look was what I kept going for. So when I finished all my trimmings, this is what the patio looked like. I was really satisfied with what it looked like. It looked natural and like the patio came with it. I really wish I could actually hide the other part at the outside, but it still looked good. So Ella didn't really want a plant in her patio, but as a designer I am, I convinced her that it was going to be a very good detail. So I got this hanging pot from IKEA for literally like $2 or less. Then I got the plant also from IKEA, and it was the easiest thing to install. It took me like literally a few minutes, and then I installed it, and it just gave this nice touch to the patio, just hanging it on one side. That was the only plan. So this with the grass carpet was the perfect duo. So now to the furniture. I got this set from IKEA for a really affordable price. I'll put a link in the description down below. Also, assembling this was literally easy. All you need to do was click the thing and your set's assembled. So I got these lights off of Amazon. They're 25 feet long. I was going to put them in the patio as patio lights, but then I just realized that they weren't solar. First of all, I didn't look at the description, and her patio did not have any outlets whatsoever. So I tried to see if I could do like the wire connection and everything. So I took that off and instantly decided to not do it because I can do almost everything, but when it comes to like wires and electricity, I don't stand a chance. So I just gave up on that and they installed the light. But this is the end result of the patio. I really hope you guys liked it. So I really wanted to use like lights and other stuff, but at the time I was done, the first light didn't work out, so I just decided, okay, there's no need using lights again. Besides, my roommate didn't really want the whole light anymore, so we just left it as is. But it turned out so beautiful. Let me know if you guys will be trying this and what you thought of this design. And also, please click the playlist below above click the playlist above to go watch other videos that are in this makeover group or series that I'll be doing. Thanks so much for watching this video one more time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.